How to fix the Roblox not launching in the Windows 11. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix your Roblox not launching in your Windows. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Windows and here you have to go into the settings. Now once you are in the settings, here you have to go into the apps and you have to go in the apps and features. Now here you have to go in the app list and click on the search app and here you have to search for your Roblox. Now once you are in the Roblox you just have to click on it and as you can see you have to go in the Roblox studio, click on these three dots and go in the uninstall, and from here you have to uninstall your Roblox, and after uninstalling it you just have to open up the browser and here you have to open any of the random game, and what you have to do is simply click on it, and as you can see that here is the option of the play, you have to tap on it. Now here is Roblox is ready, you have to click on it and you have to open the URL to the Roblox protocol, and from here you have to download and install your Roblox. Now you just have to add the visiting Roblox and join the server of your Roblox, and after that you just have to open the URL and you have to reinstall your Roblox. So once you reinstall it, you just have to restart your computer and you are able to add the Roblox not launching in your Windows 11. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.